Hello everyone, and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home and back to another whole house all day clean with me video. My name is Hannah and thank you so much for watching this video today. In these next few clips I'm showing you just how messy the house is. It was so bad, it's so embarrassing. If you haven't watched my last couple of videos, then you don't know that we are moving. We're actually going to be moving in about 1 week from the day that I am doing this voiceover here and editing this video. So life has just been so crazy. We've been running around house hunting and finding a rental and packing and just all of the things, and so my house has gotten really neglected. So we are going to take care of that today. I want to get this whole house cleaned up because tomorrow I need to start packing up the rest of this house, and I can't start packing when the house is a disaster. So as you can see here in the boys' bedroom, they are working on getting their room cleaned up, so I am not going to be cleaning their room today. They are cleaning it, but it looks like Owen is not really helping out too much. He's just playing there while Kyle's cleaning. That's usually how it seems to go. But I'm going to start out my cleaning here today in the kitchen by tidying off the table. Let me know down in the comments, when you do a whole house cleaning, which room in your house do you always start with? I always start with my kitchen. I just love to have a clean kitchen first. It gives me motivation to tackle the rest of the house, and it felt so good to have a clean kitchen after I got it cleaned up on this day because, like I said, life had been crazy the past couple days and my whole kitchen hadn't totally been cleaned up all at the same time for like 3 or 4 days. It was always like I would only have time to clean off the table or the countertops because we were just rushing around. But now today I finally had time to get the whole kitchen just spotless clean. And you saw me there lighting a candle on the kitchen table. That candle was from the Antique Candle Company. I have a link for them down below. They make the most amazing smelling Soe candles. They hand pour them in Indiana, and they just sent me some of their Christmas candles, and they got me so excited for Christmas as soon as I smelled those candles. Took a little break from cleaning the kitchen here to gather up the laundry and go ahead and get that started because I knew that I had many loads of laundry to do today. I went around and gathered it up. The boys' laundry had just gotten out of control here in their bathroom, and there was a bunch piled up in their bedroom, so I had to go around and gather all of that, get the laundry from our room, and then get a load started in the washer. As usual, let me know down in the comments what you guys are getting done while you're watching this video today. Let me know if this video motivated you, or just say hi down in the comments. I just love reading through all the comments from you guys. I don't always get time to reply to every single one, but I do always read every single comment and I appreciate them so much. So at this point, after the laundry was started, it was time to start my coffee because I was ready for a second cup of coffee this morning, and I just made some regular French vanilla coffee. I added some of this creamer. This is my new favorite creamer. It's almond milk creamer and it is mint cocoa, and it just tastes like Christmas time. And then I topped it off with some of this ready whipped cream, and this is actually almond milk whipped cream, which I did not know that they sold until the other week at the store. I saw it there and I just had to try it. Let me know down in the comments if you've seen almond milk whipped cream at the store before. Stay tuned because here in a couple minutes I'm going to be putting some chili into the crock pot, and I'm going to share that recipe with you guys. So if you want to see that, keep on watching. You guys always ask what my kids are doing while I'm cleaning. Here's a little peek at what Owen was doing while I was wiping off the countertop. He got his little stool, put it over here by the coffee, and he was just looking through all my coffee, rearranging them, asking me if I wanted certain kinds of coffee, and then he would put them back. And yeah, they usually are just playing, entertaining themselves while I'm cleaning. Now that the kitchen's cleaned up, we are going to put some chili in the crock pot to have for supper tonight. And I already cooked some ground turkey and put that in there. You could use ground beef or ground turkey, or you could leave it out completely. I also had some red peppers in the fridge that I needed to use up, so I just diced those up and put them in there. That's the nice thing about chili. You can put whatever you want in it. Then I put in 2 cans of diced tomatoes, 3 cans of water, and 1 can of tomato sauce. I probably could have even added a 2nd can of tomato sauce. It just makes your chili nice and creamy, and I love for my chili to be thick. And then I did 2 cans of chili beans, 2 cans of kidney beans. You could also add black beans if you wanted, or any variety of beans. And then I put in a little can of green chilies, and then all of my seasonings. And I will just type up the recipe down below in the description box just so that it's easier for you guys. And as you can see, I made a ton of chili. I filled up the crock pot all the way because I just figured while I was making it, I would make like a triple batch of it. We could just have it for lunch and supper for the next 2 days. We all love chili. Once I had that going in the crock pot, then I started to tidy up the living room area, and it's such a good feeling to know that supper is already made. I don't have to worry about making it come supper time because it's going to be in the crock pot, and it smelled so good cooking all afternoon. The crock pot has been like my best friend while we're going through this moving process, and I've been so busy because I can put meals in there. They're quick and easy. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite crock pot meals are. I would love to hear. And the other day I packed up both of the living room areas, filled up all these boxes, got them taped up, rolled up the rug, like did a ton of stuff, and I had filmed it all. And then for some reason the other day my memory card got like corrupted. It kept telling me error. I don't know what happened to it, but basically I think that I lost all of the footage from that, which is really disappointing. But there is a lot more packing to do in the house, so what I'm going to do is just film all of the packing that I'm going to be doing here in the next couple of days, and then I will just put up one big packing video probably sometime next week, hopefully. And the reason why I was cleaning this couch and that chair is because I'm going to take pictures of them and list them for sale. I've been selling a ton of stuff in the house, donating a ton of stuff, just trying to really declutter and downsize before this move. And I also want to mention, if you guys have not seen the moving related videos that I've done so far, I think I posted 2 of them so far, be sure that you go and watch them so you can understand everything that's going on here in the next week or 2. And I put them in their own playlist. I called it the moving playlist. That way I can put all of the moving and packing videos in there, and they're all in one spot so you can go and watch them all. And I don't usually sweep with my broom, but Owen was taking a nap and I didn't want to turn on the vacuum and wake him up, so I just grabbed my broom, quickly swept the floor, and the floor was so dirty underneath the table from the boys, and like I said, we've been so busy, haven't had time to clean, so I just put the chairs over in the living room so that I could really do a good job of sweeping and mopping the floor. This mop that I'm using is called the O Cedar Spray Mop. I have it listed in my Amazon storefront, and a lot of times you guys ask me where certain products are from, like my cordless vacuum or my mop, my couch, the boys' bunk beds, like all those kind of things. Those are all linked in my Amazon storefront, and you can get to my Amazon storefront by clicking the Amazon storefront link down below in the description box. And if you're on your phone, then just click the little arrow in the bottom right hand corner of the video by the title, and that will open up the whole description box. Okay, so now we're on to day 2. This is actually 2 days of cleaning. So I didn't quite get everything done the day before, so I just finished up the next day. And of course, before I start cleaning, I have to have some more coffee with this mint chocolate or mint cocoa creamer, and then I had to put some more of that whipped cream there on top. So today I just had to finish up a couple of things that I didn't get done yesterday. I wanted to clean up the bedroom, get all these clothes put away, clean up the hall bathroom, our bathroom, finish up the laundry, and I think that was about it. I also got a couple packages from Amazon, and I'm going to do a little haul and show you guys what I got here in a couple of minutes. These wipes that I use to wipe down the bathroom countertop, these are 7th generation from Grove Collaborative. I keep one container in each of the bathrooms just so that it's easier, because these are great to just pull out and quickly wipe down the countertop. And you guys have heard me talk about Grove Collaborative before. I'm an affiliate with them. With my link down below in the description box, you can get a free 5-piece gift set with your first order of $20 or more. So you get a free 5-piece gift set, free shipping, and a free VIP trial. So if you're going to make an order from Grove Collaborative, make sure that you use that link so that you can get all of that free stuff. They're getting ready to come out with all of their holiday scents, which is so exciting, all of the Miss Myers soaps and stuff. My Amazon boxes arrived at the front door, and the reason that I'm like cracking the door open and peeking all around is because we have a bunch of bees on our front porch right now, and I wanted to make sure there wasn't any close to the door that were going to fly in when I open the door. So I was trying to be really careful there, but I got some exciting things from Amazon, sort of exciting. A new memory card, because like I said, my other one got corrupted. SanDisk is usually the brand that I get. And then I got this awesome cleaning caddy that I've been loving. It was only $7, really heavy duty, good quality. I will put a link for it down below. And then I got the O Cedar Spin Mop. I've been seeing so many YouTubers use these. I finally just decided to get my own because the rental that we're moving into, I would like to use it in there. So I decided to just get it, a fun new cleaning product to try, and I will let you guys know how I like it. Last night I dumped 2 loads of clothes here on the living room floor because I needed the dryer empty so that I could put my husband's work pants in the dryer to dry, and it was like bedtime. I was tired. I didn't want to fold 2 loads of clothes, so I figured I'd just fold them the next day, and I don't usually like to do that. Usually I like to just fold the clothes right out of the dryer. It makes it so much easier. Put them away right away and just get it over with. I hate when they're just like all over the floor like this, and then I gotta pick them up off the floor and put them away. Yeah, that's just how I am. I like to fold them right out of the dryer. That is going to be it for this whole house cleaning video. I hope that you guys enjoyed the cleaning motivation. Be sure and give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. It helps out my channel so much. Also, please subscribe if you're new. Click the red subscribe button and the bell beside of it. And I will see you in a few days with a new video. Bye!